and how they want to serve. Alright, now we are gonna again show you how these mocktails are prepared. Basically, most of the mocktails that we are gonna prepare are the glasses. Everything is authentic. Alright, but the glasses that we are about to use are not. The glasses that has been used here are the ones you need to serve to the guest if you're working in the industry. Alright, so ma'am is gonna start with the first mocktail, that is your virgin mojito. Alright. What is virgin mojito? What is a mojito normally made out of? If it is a mojito, regular mojito? Rum, white rum, very good. So we are going to prepare without the rum.
Okay. We are taking this glass. First you have to make the glass ready. And then some sugar. Go in. You can also use Demerara sugar if required. Some mint leaves. Lemon chunks goes in. So now we have to muddle it nicely so that all the oil and the juice of all the ingredients gets mixed together, and that enhances the flavor of the mocktail. Okay, so here we go with the process. Now it's more or less ready. Then what's the Sprite. Stir. Little more Sprite to top it up, and then little ice is required. Some lemon slice.
So this is mojito. Alright, as you can see, the method used for this is called stirring method. Very simple. First you mold it, make all the ingredients ready inside, then you top up with the Sprite, and if it is a regular mojito, you'll add the rum to it. How do you add the rum to it? Using a jigger, one shot of rum, top it up, again stir it. Simple. Alright, so that is the stirring method. Alright, now we'll try something called shaking method of making a mocktail or a cocktail. Alright, so what I'm going to try now is, it's called it's actually, the cocktail is called Bloody Mary, but we are going to make a regular Virgin Mary. Alright, simple. Basically what you need to do before you start making the particular mocktail is that you need to take a tall glass, you need to take lemon, and then you need to rim the glass. Alright, this is called the mise en place for this particular drink. Alright, now you keep it, you take the salt, rim it. Alright, basically this particular cocktail or mocktail is kind of spicy. What you need for this is tomato juice. Alright, this is a 4 Worcestershire sauce. All right. Basically, it is a UK sauce. All right. It has a lot of ingredients. Basically, it is kind of fermented. So you'll take. Tabasco sauce. Some salt on the top. Pepper. Ice. Close it. Alright, make sure you close it properly. Right? Close now. You need to shake it. Alright? There are different ways of shaking it. Alright? This is how you shake it. Anyone wants to try? You're more than welcome. Come.
Try.
More hard. More hard. Yeah, use all your energy that you have. Yeah, very good. Anyone else? Alright, very good. Next. Please. Very nice. Very good. Yes, you have to show this showmanship, you know. Different methods of shaking. Very good. Next. Please, try. Because if you try it here, it will be very easy for you. Okay, very nice. Very good.
Very good.
Try different styles. Come on, be innovative. Very good. Pour it. For the celery stick, garnish. Mojito. Alright, Mary. Virgin Mary. Alright, now everyone, we pause it.